Hey everyone, Jared here from Effective on Amazon, where we give you actionable tips you can put into practice today to increase your sales and revenue. In this video, I'm going to break down the best practices for Amazon product images and bullet points so you can optimize your listings. And what it all comes down to is using captivating images that are directly tied to powerful bullet points, all built to emphasize your product's selling points and answer common customer questions. But before we get into it, I want to remind you to subscribe, click the bell, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Let's get started. Your product images and bullet points are some of the most important aspects of your Amazon product listing. They're the first and sometimes the only part of the listing the customer is going to look at. Check out this phone sanitizer, for example. Your goal should be to sell your product with what's on the screen alone. And of course, your product listing includes more than just your images and bullet points. Also critical to your product listing performance are your product title, backend search terms, product reviews, and description. And for more information on these topics, check out the links below for our other videos and blog posts on listing optimizations. Okay, back to today's topic. One general tip for all of your images is to be sure to upload the largest size and highest resolution images you can. Customers love to use the zoom feature to get a better understanding of what they're buying. And low quality images can hurt your brand, reduce your perceived quality, and make customers less comfortable buying from you. Now, let's look at some dog toys. The Chuck It indoor ball toy, for example, has one image and it's blurry, so you can't utilize the zoom feature. Just based off the picture, customers might question if the seller is legitimate since they're not able to produce good pictures of the product they're selling. Your images should be working together with your bullet points to sell your product. Use your bullet points to emphasize the main reasons why someone should buy your product, and then create images that visually represent those claims. Chuck It's bullet points are good, but they need to use images to further expand on those points. For example, their fifth bullet point explains that the ball fits in the Chuck It indoor launcher, which is pretty cool. It would be great if they added an image of the ball in the launcher to emphasize on this point. Or with the small dog and puppy toy bullet point, simply include some pictures of little puppies playing with the toy. That would work with the bullet point, give customers size reference, and act as a slice of life shot. Also, who doesn't love puppies? Puppies make everything better. Now let's look at the Go Dog Dragon toy. While not perfect, they do a much better job highlighting their products, reflecting the bullet points, and actually showing it in use. When they say that's super tough and dogs love them, they show that in the images. And when they say that it's made of super soft bubble plush in the bullet points, they have a picture showing exactly what they mean, which is pretty difficult to do, but they do it. Use all of your pictures to give your customers a complete view of your product, what it does, and how it fits into their lives. If your product has a unique feature, show it. If it makes more sense to show in a context of use, show it in use. If it's hard to tell exactly what size your product is, include a reference shot. Diagrams, contextual shots, and feature highlights, while not allowed in the main image, are perfect for the rest of the images. Another great tool that Amazon recently expanded out to sellers is video. This allows you to further expand out the features of your product, show how it works, and give examples of its use in everyday life. Videos are a great way to address customers' concerns or further highlight key selling points that pictures cannot accurately portray. For example, the Go Dog Dragon mentions a fun squeaker in their bullet points and then shows it in action in their video. And currently, sellers can only upload one video per listing, so you need to determine what you would like to emphasize and be sure that your video reflects that. Quick recap, you can't guarantee that customers will read your entire listing, but it's very likely that they'll look through your images and scan your bullet points. Keep them focused and relevant to the main selling points and anticipated customer questions. You're trying to make the customer as confident as possible with the product because they aren't going to see it in person until they open that box. Thanks for watching. For more on Amazon listing optimizations, check out our playlist and blog posts. And also, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that little bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. And if you have any questions, just leave them below so we know what you want to know. Until next time, see you!